If I say up, you say down. If I say left, you say right. If I say stop, you say go. You all have oppositional defiance disorder. Congratulations. How come when we think we're human beings that love to connect with each other, everybody says the same answer? If I say I don't want to hear another peep out of you, there you go. You walk into a store, you're looking for an article of clothing. The person who's paid to help you comes up to you and says, "May I help you?" And you say, "No, I'm good." And then they walk away and you're standing there going, "Why did I just say that? I don't even know what I'm looking for." And then you spend the rest of the time trying to look for the thing you don't know where it is. And if that one associate comes by, you're like ducking underneath. Like just to make sure that they don't see you.